Good morning. So we're here at Pirateland in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, Pirateland Campground. I just got the golf cart. We're gonna take you through villa number 47 that we rented straight through Pirateland.com. This isn't through a private owner, hand to hand, anything like that. This is just totally through the corporate name of the park. I've been there already. We've stayed there before. It's similar to a single wide trailer. It's really comfortable. It makes sense for our family. It's very easy to get to, plenty of parking, nice big porch. But I'll show all that in the video. So we're gonna go ahead and head that way now. Thank you for watching. So I wanted to take a minute while everyone's in bed to show the outside of the villa at Pirateland in Myrtle Beach. This is villa number 47, listed as V47 on the map. I'll just take you a quick walk around right quick. Pretty spacious front porch. Not bad at all. It's similar to a single wide trailer, just not as long. Definitely not as long. The parking area. This is enough for two vehicles. A little bit tight if you're gonna get a golf cart, which we will. It may be the kind of thing where we'd have to rearrange the vehicles or do something different to get to a plug-in. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. But very nice unit. We've enjoyed our stay here. Alright, so here's a quick overview of the living area and the kitchen of the villa here in Pirateland at Myrtle Beach. We'll go through there here in just a second. I'll start over here in the bedroom. So when you first come in, you'll see what they consider the third bedroom. It's a little bunk area. Really good if you have any kids coming with you. There's a light down on the lower level and the upper level. It's pretty cool. And then a light switch to kill both. All the bedrooms have a little closet area. I like that. It comes in handy. Kind of small if you're an adult. And also keep in mind, they don't do any linens here. All they're gonna have is just a little protective covering over each mattress. You gotta bring all your own linens, so be prepared to do that if you're coming and you don't know anything about it. Over here is another bedroom. This is not considered the master by any means. This is just another bedroom. It's got a full-size bed in it. This is our linens. We didn't get to record this before we put those down. You can tell it's a little bit outdated when you go from those blinds to those. A little bit of, discoloration, I guess, from the sun or something like that. But like I mentioned, closet area with our stuff in it. But very convenient. Even though it's a small floor, it's actually roomy when you come in here. The air blows out really good back here. It doesn't get extremely hot, extremely cold through the night. Decent couch. I like the fact that it's well lit. A lot of times when you come in and you look at something like this and you think, oh, there's no overhead lighting, it's gonna be real dim, but it's actually pretty soothing, so we enjoy it. Then you move into the kitchen area. By the way, the TV. Move into the kitchen area. You have plenty of stuff in the cabinets to get you started. Just basic dishes. And while talking about it, you can notice there's just plenty of cabinet space. Just about as much as we would have at our house, so it's everything that we're used to. There's not many appliances that we get here and wish we'd have brought from home, simply because they're pretty good about supplying that stuff. Which, like I mentioned, in the bedrooms, that's about all they supply. And you are responsible for bringing everything, like I said, all the way down to your own dish soap to wash the dishes that you may use while you're here. Full-size refrigerator.
Don't judge by what's in here. But just want to let you know it's newer. I mean, you can tell it's not really old. Updated stuff here. A lot of room, very convenient. The bathroom is kind of the least of what I like. Won't do much mirror time. You can tell it looks really old. Older switches, older plugs, older shower, really small. But, you know, it's a small place, so this is what we're, you know, this is nothing but economy, the cheapest way to go. One of the cheaper way to go anyway. So it comes with the territory. But having said that, very clean, very nice, usable. You know, nothing else much to say about that. One of the other things that I dislike is the doors. They don't lock. So if you come here and share this, like I said, with 3 bedrooms, if you come and say with 2 different couples and you have kids, there's no privacy really, but there is a bathhouse on site at Pirateland, so no big deal really. And coming through here, which you'll see goes into the living room there, but coming through to here is what they consider the master bedroom. And it has its own door that goes out to the front porch, which I'll show you later. It has the biggest closet space that there is. The doors are kind of aggravating. They don't move good, but they do move nevertheless. Lots of drawer space. And once again, no linens, so keep that in mind. Can't reiterate that enough. But yeah, personal plug down here, great for charging your phone while you sleep. Vent down here, like I said, in that other bedroom in there. Doesn't get hot or cold. It doesn't get stuffy back here. Good central air and heating unit. So we like it. Hope this helped a little bit. I noticed there was no video on YouTube that showed the villas here at Pirateland in Myrtle Beach. So I just figured I would share this with you.